Your DJI Osmo Pocket might be recording amazing videos, but without using the Mimo app's editing tools, your footage isn't reaching its full potential. Most people export clips as is, missing out on smooth transitions, effects, and quick fixes. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your videos step by step using the Mimo app. So let's start editing right now. First, turn on your DJI Osmo camera. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Make sure your Osmo Pocket 3 is connected to the DJI Mimo app. Now tap on the Editor tab in the DJI Mimo app. After that, tap on New Project. Then select or tap on the file you want to edit. Tap Next now. Your selected clips will appear in the timeline at the bottom, and you'll see several options at bottom as well, like Edit, Music, Filter, Effects, and more. If you select Edit tab, then you use Cut or Split or Remove unwanted footage. You can adjust volume, video speed, or you can duplicate your footage. Then, if you want to tap on Music, you can select Music from DJI Library on your own audio. Then, if you tap on Filter, you can filter your video footage. Then you can add effect, text, and sticker. And that's it. This is how you can edit your videos from DJI Mimo app. Hope you found this video helpful.